Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw a very cute and simple bee together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we draw a small circle. This will be our bee's head. Then we add a slightly larger circle, which will be the body of the bee. Next, to help our bee fly, we add 2 wings. After that, we draw the bee's eyes and mouth. We should not forget to add the antennae as well. We've drawn the bee's ears and face. As the final step, we add oval lines to the body. Now, to make our bee look more beautiful and lively, we go over the drawing with a black marker. To hide the pencil lines, we carefully erase over the drawing. Here's our bee, all ready. Isn't it really nice? Now we move on to the most fun part, colouring our bee. First, we colour the body yellow with a crayon. We should colour one side and leave the other side blank. Then, we colour the face of the bee yellow. After that, we colour the wings with light blue. Finally, we use a black marker to fill in the lines that we left blank. And our picture is complete. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next drawing adventure. Bye bye.